Let's create a Gmail account under 5 minutes. So go to google.com and search for create Gmail account. Select the first link that says create a Gmail account. Here select this option that says create an account. So in my case it brought me to this page. So what you're going to do is select create account. Select your purpose. I'm going to say for my personal use. Select what best applies to you. On this page, specify your first and last name. The last name is optional. So here we're going to select next. Select your date of birth and your gender and then select next. Here it's making some suggestions. However, I do want to create my own Gmail address, right? So I'm actually creating an email address for this channel. So it's mrversity@gmail.com. So select next. Now I need to specify a password. Once you set your password, select next. Here, provide a recovery email. This is an email address that you already have access to. So even though you can skip this step, I highly recommend it, right? So select next. Review your account that this is the email address that you want to create, then select next. Review the terms and conditions and I agree, so I'm going to do that. And voila, your email address has been successfully created. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.